So we're going to try and get some clubs from the activity hub for mini golf. Oh, perfect, 6 balls. People keep losing them. So we got baby club.
Yeah, just enough for you.
Yeah, that's great. What time does it close here?
What time is it now?
3.
3. Another hour.
Okay, yeah, we're going to be half an hour or so. That's great, thank you. So the park ranger was in there, asked if we could play mini golf. She said, yeah, but we don't know how many balls are there. Luckily, there was just enough. But how can you not have balls where you have mini golf? Put your club next to mine. Got a baby club and an adult club. You happy with yours? Yeah?
Right, let's go and meet the girls.
Let's go meet the girls. We put in your pocket.
So my sweets, because they keep falling out.
Ugh.
Straight away.
Oh, wait for us! You have to remember your own scores. We haven't got any paper or pencils.
No cheating.
What you want, Lil?
6. 7. 1. 2. 1.
Careful. You knock someone out.
10.
10.
5.
Oh!
7. Oh no, this is 7, yeah? Yeah. 7. You got 7, she got 8, and I got 10. No, I got 8.
Yeah.
She got 7.
Am I the winner so far? What's Lil
I'm
on?
on 5.
Oh, 6. Oh, 7. 8. Whoa. Harry wins the first hole.
Yeah, but that was a fluke. You didn't
Luke,
do
I planned it.
Just go round like that.
We'll just start again.
So we're on 15 and we're back at the start.
We're just going to start again.
No, we're on 15, mate.
Katie, why are you playing hockey?
Is that not how you play?
No, just do it gently. There you go.
Wrong sport.
It's gone in. No way. No, I was joking. Comes out of his butt lace.
Yucky.
Yeah.
Can I go? Yeah.
Daddy's a winner. What you on, bud? Oh, good shot. It's on 4.
You're in the rough, mate, under the crabber. You're on 4, you're going to beat me. 5.
6.
Oh, you're level with me, mate.
You just have to caravan.
It's alright.
Done.
Excuse me.
Oh, look at that helicopter lace, Lil. Lil, look.
Has he called you on 2 or 1 on 1?
Don't matter.
Oh, you're brilliant.
We don't believe you.
That's payback.
Look at this.
Are you going to wave? Wave at the helicopter.
Funny you start shooting.
Yeah. Flashed you on the head, sorry.
I felt like I could touch that.
I think you're on 2.
She did, no, she's not listening.
So you hit it over there, all the way up there and then in.
I hit the wall and
Do you believe her?
The first one of them, Harry got in. The first one, Harry was like this.
I let him go.
Hit it like we showed you, like that. Yeah. Do a nice big swing.
That was no love.
Oh my god. Not that big.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! I thought I was going in.
Get it one more, no? Take it easy.
Did she get in? I don't think I was watching. Gotta beat 2. Let's go for a hole in 1.
Oh, hang on.
Papa, Lacey and Mum are in the 2 clubs.
In for 2.
Me and Nana are in the 4 club.
No way.
The 2 club.
In the 2 club. Give me a fist bump.
Hang on, Mum's first. What's she doing?
No, you go. You carry on.
Careful, then, Lace. Ooh.
Now you're gonna give up, man.
Come on, tap. You can do that.
no
You can do
point.
it from there.
Just tap it. Woo. Good lunge.
You can do it after.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
False start. What's Harry got to be? 3.
That wall is not good.
I think got it over the wall.
That's Lily. But
I think it was fluke. Yeah.
Yeah?
You're disqualified from this hole.
the record I'm remembering to film. Oh, 1.
I started again.
No. No, you can't do that. It's the birthday power. Can you take it back to the gap in the wall, please? That's where it left the ring.
Oh, darn it. Oh.
That's good.
Oh, no. We could do this in 1 hour.
She got a 3.
We'll pull out all the stops now.
I can't believe she got it through the hole.
Watch out,
This
though.
men gotta stick together. Not really.
It's not golf, mate. Not so hard.
Well done, mate.
Well done.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.